Design. CAD. Olatoye sees CAD as a process of using automation with teaching operation through computer interface in production of instructional resources using multimedia or object-based items. This multimedia could be the iPhone, computer, digital camera, speaker, among others. Individualization of instruction is enhanced in this classroom with the use of CAD products. Adoption of CAD in the classroom setting could be traced from construct knowledge in a social context whereby learning takes place in the personal development. And as we all know, personal development as suggested by Vygotsky 1978 is the difference between what a child can do alone and what he or she does with assistance. Personal development is a gap between the actual development level as determined by independent problem solving and the level of potential development as determined through problem solving by the teacher, adults, or in collaboration with more capable peers. In Dixbus, the circle inscribed inside shows the zone of personal development. What I can do is what the child can do. What I can do is what the child cannot do. And what I can do with help is what he or she can do with the help of teacher, adults, guidance, and that is a zone of personal development. This, however, identifies the cognitive ability of the learner. Personal development can be suitable for cognitive ability of learner through the Ally design model. This model suggests strategy for selecting and including multimedia during instruction. This model is suitable for instructional designer who have knowledge of the subject matter and experts in a context of specified area. This model is procedural in nature. It allows practice to occur, that is, the task trainer are utilized within the instruction. Developed resources. That is, the instructional material should not be devoid of subject area, which include the content, behavioral objective to be achieved at the end of the instructional material usage. Olatunde and Sisi suggest that the design of CAD should be structured through two stages for suitable cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. And these are the three domains of learning. That is the psychomotor, affective, and cognitive. These stages are this is the first stage, and this involves the schematic design, where designer has to show the possible flow chart of the design. It involves the diagrams of the pended products. It also involves the layout of the products, that is the skeletal framework of the products, how it will look like, the possible measurements on every material required is appropriate in object-based instructional design. This is the second stage, and this involves the operating parameter test, the material required in OBIDM, and the final packaging. Though Olatunde identified feasibility study of CAD products, which include different tentacles through which the system could function and perform as an entity. Olatunde suggests that there is need to carry out investigative study through which constant monitoring of subsystem, the throughput and output. This is required so as to maintain adequate performance of CAD products designed for a particular learner's level, learner's need, and should be learners oriented. CAD to educational technology. One, It involves designing instructional diet in such a way that the behavior objective will focus on the following. Hey, that is the audience. As you could see in this class, they all have different characteristics. So the CAD products we use should be able to meet the needs of the students. And two, to determine the learner behavior, condition of learning. That is, it is favorable to the learners. Before fixing the best learning condition, the external factors such as lack of food, peer influence, or broken home should be considered. These are major hindrance to the performance of learner. This will help in selection of the appropriate technology to teach with. And D, determination of the achievable objective. And these are called the ABCD behavioral objectives. Difference between CAI, computer assisted instruction, and CAD, computer aided design. This involve the instructional process, while CAD involve the designing of instruction. CAI, it entails the appropriate choice of finished product suitable for the subject matter to be taught, while CAD is used for designing the educational products or programs. The future of a good CAD design. Two, it should have a focus or target audience. That is, who are to use it. It must focus mainly on the audience. Two, a good CAD product must be able to capture or arouse the learner interest. D, a good CAD product should be able to explain the ABCD behavioral objective. E, a good CAD product must follow the order of execution. Features of computer aided design products. One, accuracy, readability, meaningfulness, no step skipping, and it must follow order of execution. Forms of CAD. There are three forms of computer aided design. We have the multimedia design, we have the internet connectivity based, which involve the use of internet facilities such as Skype or cloud browsing, and we have the object based design, developmental cycle. These are series of phrases used in creating an instructional or program instruction that are technological based. Condition of learning. That is, it is favorable to the learners. Before fixing the best learning condition, the external factors such as lack of food, peer influence, or book design analysis. The end user requirement should be determined and documented. Also, how the design will be performed and the design expectation. Planning. This has to do with how you design a prototype, the material that will be required for the product, and who these products are meant for. Implementation. In this phase, the necessary facilities required for implementation proper are put to use. This facility may be materials like computer, printer, mouse, application software, among others. System design and security. It has to do with the security level, the architectural type of the data that goes through the system. Finance. A computer-aided design that is specifically designed, certain routine maintenance such as updates of the wear and tear of the design is necessary. Cad to educational technology. 1. It involves designing instructional diet in such a way that the behavior objective will focus on the following. A. That is the audience. Transformation of computer-aided design. A. We have the object-based design, which could be transformed when the object product is being transferred from digital camera to soft copy. That is, that will be usable with a television set or a computer set in the classroom. The soft copy could also be transformed from the object base through pictures and model. Type of card in educational technology. How to use internet connectivity in classroom using card products. The normal lesson plan subtitle must be followed when using card products in classroom with internet. For instance, the teacher that wants to teach aquatic animals in biology will follow the following detailed step in presenting the subject matter as suggested by Olatoyita and 16. The subject, biology. The topic, aquatic animal. Introduction, a review of the entry behavior of the student. Here is a teacher at a different geographical area and students in the classroom. They could communicate through Skype. Here the teacher is asking what they learned in the last class and students are responding via Skype. Activity. Teacher and students, here the teacher teaches the concept and sends some pictures of aquatic animal to the students. Questions posted by the students will be answered by the teacher. The wrap up, that is a summary. The teacher summarizes the lesson.